The first sign of tooth decay appears as a white spot or patch along the gum line.
Is because your diet.
And now Ken's teeth are in horrific shape, and the pain, he says, is indescribable.
It feels like gruesome pain, every night.
The fact is, dental decay has ravaged Kenny's mouth. In the front, he has a total of 7 teeth that are all but rotting out of his head.
Teeth are the only exposed bones in the body, and just as if a bone breaks, it'll heal, teeth can heal.
There's a lot of products out there that people aren't aware of that contain xylitol, and they don't realize, how good it is for you.
All right, let's turn up the heat and dive even deeper into the world of DIY cavity reversal. Buckle up because we're going to expand this juicy tale into a full-blown saga. So let's dig a little deeper into how these unwelcome guests, cavities, make their grand entrance. Cavities don't just crash your dental party overnight. They're the result of a sneaky, gradual process that starts with a loss of minerals from your enamel. Your enamel, baby, is like the diamond-studded armor for your teeth. It's the hardest substance in your body, but even diamonds have their kryptonite acid. Acidic foods and drinks, from that soda you love to sip on to the citrusy fruits you munch, all play a role in wearing down your enamel. Then, there's the bacteria, those tiny villains that lurk in your mouth. The main culprit here is Streptococcus mutans. And trust me, this bad boy loves sugar more than a kid in a candy store. Every time you indulge in sweets, you're basically feeding an army of bacteria that produce acids as they digest the sugars. These acids are potent enough to dissolve the minerals in your enamel, creating tiny pits and openings.
Maybe too much tea, maybe too many sweets.
So do you have a bit of a sweet tooth?
Not really, but I do drink a lot of tea, and when I say a lot, I mean a lot.
This process is called demineralization. When your enamel starts losing minerals, it's like a brick wall with bricks getting pulled out one by one. The spaces that open up invite plaque, a sticky, colorless film of bacteria, to move in. And once plaque settles in, it's like a house guest that overstays its welcome, causing more harm than you can imagine. Demineralization is the first stage of a cavity, and it's where you have the best chance to intervene and stop the process. This stage is sneaky because it doesn't cause pain or discomfort, so you might not even know it's happening. But just because you can't see or feel it doesn't mean it's not there. Your tooth's enamel starts looking chalky and white in spots where minerals are lost. This is your first warning sign. Once plaque gets comfy in those little spaces, it starts to throw a party that you definitely don't want. Plaque harbors bacteria, and when these bacteria process sugars, they produce acids. These acids cause even more demineralization, creating a vicious cycle that keeps weakening your tooth. Now here's where things get interesting. You don't have to sit back and watch your tooth decay. There are ways to stop this process and even reverse it if you act fast. To fight cavities, you need to know your enemy. Sugar is the favorite food of the bacteria causing all this trouble. When you eat sugary foods or drink sweet beverages, you're basically sending an open invitation to these bacteria. They metabolize the sugar and produce acids as a byproduct. It's these acids that continue to eat away at your enamel. One of the best ways to prevent cavities is to limit your sugar intake. This doesn't mean you have to give up all your favorite treats, but moderation is key. Try to avoid frequent snacking on sugary foods, and if you do indulge, make sure to clean your teeth afterward.
But the first things you want to remove are, again, grains and sugar. Now the problem with grains, number one, is they contain too much of what's known as a nutrient blocker called phytic acid.
All right, now let's talk about how to rebuild that enamel. Your body has a natural way to heal your teeth, and it starts with saliva. Saliva is your mouth's natural defense system. It's packed with minerals like calcium and phosphate, which are essential for the remineralization process. When you lose minerals from your enamel, saliva can help redeposit them, strengthening your teeth. But what if your saliva game is weak? Some folks suffer from dry mouth, which can be caused by various factors including medication, certain medical conditions, or simply aging. If you're one of these people, you might need a little extra help to boost your saliva production. Enter xylitol.
We're going to talk about xylitol. I actually like xylitol because there's no aftertaste. It tastes very close to sugar. But let's kind of cover some key points about this. Okay, so it can actually reduce tooth decay.
Xylitol is a natural sugar alcohol found in many fruits and vegetables, and it's often used as a sugar substitute. But here's the magic part. Xylitol doesn't feed the bacteria that cause cavities. In fact, It helps reduce the levels of these bacteria in your mouth. Moreover, xylitol stimulates saliva production, giving you a double whammy of cavity-fighting power. Chewing xylitol gum or using xylitol-containing products can help keep your saliva flowing, providing the minerals your teeth need to repair themselves. Next up in your cavity-fighting arsenal is fluoride. This mineral is found in many dental products like toothpaste and mouth rinses, and it's a superstar when it comes to strengthening enamel. Fluoride helps speed up the remineralization process, making your enamel more resistant to acid attacks.
Fluoride sticks to the surfaces of our teeth to protect them from the acid. Fluoride also attracts calcium that is present in our saliva. That helps keep our teeth strong too.
When you brush with fluoride toothpaste, you're essentially giving your teeth a protective shield. But not all fluoride products are created equal. Look for products that contain sodium fluoride, as it's particularly effective at promoting remineralization. When cavities progress past the enamel and into the dentin, things get a bit more complicated. Dentin is the layer beneath the enamel and is softer, making it more susceptible to decay. Once bacteria reach the dentin, they have an easier time spreading and causing damage. But don't lose hope. Even at this stage, you can still fight back. The key is to cut off the bacteria's food supply by sealing off the cavity and promoting remineralization from the inside out. By using products that can help seal off the cavity, you can starve the bacteria and stop the decay process. This might involve using specific dental treatments that create a barrier over the cavity, preventing bacteria from getting the nutrients they need to thrive.
So first of all, what are dental sealants? The best explanation is sidewalks, you know how they have cracks in them? And then the ones that don't get weeds have a great caulk in between there, so it makes sure that it's all filled, the cracks all filled in. That's what a dental sealant is.
Discuss these options with your dentist. They might recommend treatments like dental sealants or special fluoride varnishes that can help protect the affected area while your body works to repair the damage. Reversing a cavity, especially one that's reached the dentin, isn't an overnight process. It requires patience and consistency. You'll need to maintain a diligent oral care routine, including brushing twice a day with fluoride toothpaste, flossing daily, and using mouth rinses designed to promote remineralization. Diet also plays a crucial role. Foods rich in calcium and phosphate, such as dairy products, leafy greens, and nuts, can help support the remineralization process. Additionally, cutting down on acidic foods and drinks can prevent further enamel erosion. Your diet has a huge impact on your oral health.
80 to 90% of why you have unhealthy oral care is because your diet. Three primary things that are affecting your gum health, I would say, are unhealthy carbohydrates in the form of breads, pastas, things of that nature, starches and sugars, okay? Now, definitely processed foods, so we'll add that as a fourth, but those are the primary things that are ruining your gum health.
Foods rich in vitamins and minerals support the health of your teeth and gums. Calcium, phosphate, and vitamin D are particularly important for maintaining strong teeth. Incorporate foods like milk, cheese, yogurt, leafy greens, and almonds into your diet to give your teeth the nutrients they need.
But I definitely recommend a multi-mineral supplement that has magnesium. And last but not least, consuming a diet and supplements that are high in fat-soluble vitamins.
On the flip side, be mindful of foods and drinks that can harm your teeth. Acidic foods and beverages, such as citrus fruits, soda, and wine, can erode enamel. If you consume these, try to do so in moderation and rinse your mouth with water afterward to help neutralize the acids. Staying hydrated is essential for maintaining good saliva production. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your mouth moist and help wash away food particles and bacteria. Water with fluoride can provide an extra boost of protection. Maintaining a consistent oral hygiene routine is a must. Brush your teeth at least twice a day with fluoride toothpaste, paying special attention to all surfaces of your teeth. Don't forget to brush your tongue as well, as it can harbor bacteria. Flossing is just as important as brushing. It removes food particles and plaque from between your teeth and along the gum line where your toothbrush can't reach. Use dental floss or interdental brushes to clean these hard-to-reach areas.
So make sure after every meal you rinse your mouth. Rinse your mouth very well. You can rinse it with seawater. You can rinse it with a mixture of sodium bicarbonate water and floss those teeth.
Even if you're working on reversing a cavity at home, regular dental checkups are crucial. Your dentist can monitor your progress, provide professional cleanings, and offer additional treatments if needed. They can also catch any new cavities early, giving you the best chance to address them before they worsen. Once you've seen the results for yourself, don't keep it to yourself. Share your success with family and friends. Many people, including some in the dental community, still believe that cavities in the dentin can't be reversed. Your experience can help challenge this belief and encourage others to take control of their oral health. Reversing a cavity at home is a journey that requires dedication, but the rewards are well worth it. Not only can you save your tooth, but you'll also gain a deeper understanding of your oral health and how to maintain it. By addressing cavities early and using a combination of dietary changes, oral hygiene practices, and targeted treatments, you can stop decay in its tracks and even reverse the damage. Your smile will thank you, and you'll have the satisfaction of knowing you took control of your dental health. So, let's wrap this up with a step-by-step guide to your ultimate cavity-busting system. 1. Cut the sugar. Reduce your sugar intake to starve the bacteria causing the decay. 2. Boost saliva production. Choose xylitol gum and stay hydrated to keep your saliva flowing and mineral-rich. 3. Use fluoride products. Brush with fluoride toothpaste and use mouth rinses to strengthen your enamel. Maintain a balanced diet. Eat foods rich in calcium, phosphate, and vitamins to support your teeth's health. 5. Seal off cavities. Discuss with your dentist about treatments that can seal off cavities and protect them from further decay. 6. Stick to an oral hygiene routine. Brush and floss daily to keep your mouth clean and free of plaque. 7. Stay regular with dental checkups. Visit your dentist regularly to monitor your progress and catch any new issues early. 8. Share your success. Spread the word about your journey to inspire others to take control of their oral health. Remember, reversing a cavity is possible, but it requires commitment and consistency. By following these steps and taking an active role in your dental health, you can achieve a healthier, brighter smile. All right, y'all, take charge now. Start reversing those cavities today. Like, subscribe, and share your success stories below. And tell your friends about this news. Let's make our smiles truly healthy.